Chosen before the world on a quiet road in the midnight air. A young girl rides with a heart in prayer. Her eyes are fixed on heaven's sign, a star that glows with love divine. She feels the promise burning bright, a child of God, the world's true light. She whispers, Lord, I trust your call. Where you lead, I'll give my all. The star that led a mother's faith, she followed the star of the King through weary miles and wandering. With every breath, with trembling heart, she walked the path set far apart. Oh, Bethlehem, prepare your scene. She followed the star of the King. Prophecy rising over her, Isaiah saw this virgin fair, chosen by God's tender care. Micah spoke of Bethlehem's stage, where hope would enter mortal age. Nephi saw her purity, most fair he wrote in prophecy. And shepherds would in wonder sing when heaven welcomed Israel's King. The star that led a mother's faith, she followed the star of the King through weary miles and wandering. With every breath, with trembling heart, she walked the path set far apart. Oh, Bethlehem, prepare your scene. She followed the star of the King. Old, born from prophets long foretold, she carries more than mortal life, the Son of God, the end of strife. Through lonely roads and whispered fears, she rides with heaven drawing near, the angel's voice still in her soul. Fear not, for God will make you whole. The road that changed the world, she followed the star of the King, as angels watched and heavens ring. Through desert wind and winter's chill, she trusted in the Father's will. Tonight the world finds everything because she followed the star